Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are diving into fascinating world of singular and plural nouns. We'll explore the rules for converting singular nouns to their plural forms, and I'll share plenty of examples to help you grasp each and every concept. Whether you are a student, a teacher, or just someone looking to improve your English skills, this video is for you. So let's get started. General rule: add s to most nouns. For example, cat, cats, book, books, car, cars. Number 2, nouns ending in s, double s, sh, ch, x or z. Add es to end of the noun. For example, bus, buses, glass, glasses, bush, bushes, church, churches, box, boxes, buzz, buzzes. Nouns ending in consonant y. Change the y to I and add es. For example, baby, babies, city, cities, candy, candies. Nouns ending in vowel y. Add s to the end of nouns. For example, boy, boys, day, days, is. Nouns ending in f or fe. Change the f or fe to v and add es. For example, leaf, leaves, wolf, wolves, knife, knives. There are some exceptions to this rule. Some nouns only add s. Roof, roofs, belief, beliefs, chef, chefs. Irregular plurals. Some nouns have irregular plural forms that do not follow standard rules. For example, man, men, woman, women, child, children, tooth, teeth, foot, feet, mouse, mice, goose, geese. Nouns ending in o. Add es if the noun ends in consonant o. For example, hero, heroes, potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes. Add s if the noun ends in a vowel o. For example, radio, radios, studio, studios, video, videos. Exceptions to this rule: some nouns just add s. Piano, pianos, photo, photos. Nouns ending in us. Change the us to I. For example, cactus, cacti, focus, foci. An exception to this rule: some nouns just add es. For example, virus, viruses, campus, campuses. Nouns ending in is. Change the is to es. For example, analysis, analysis, basis, bases. Compound nouns. Add s to the main noun. For example, mother-in-law, mothers-in-law, passerby, passers-by. Invariant nouns. Some nouns do not change in the plural form. For example, sheep, deer, series, species. A recap: we have covered a range of rules, from simply adding s to more specific changes like replacing y with is or changing f to vs. We also looked at irregular plural compound nouns. Can you tell me what is the plural form of the noun baby? And how do you form the plural of a noun that ends in f or fe? And can you provide an example? Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and now you feel more confident with singular and plural nouns. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and lessons on English grammar, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you have any questions on topic you'd like me to cover, leave a comment below. Until next time, Keep practicing and improving your English skills. See you in the next video. Thank you.